Good day, I am Aaron P. Ciramil. Today I will demonstrate the proper standard procedure in using and returning drafting tools and materials. Before we start, we need to select the tools and materials that we use in the activity. First, we need a T-square, triangle, compass, masking tape, HB pencil, erasure, towel, and bond paper. Next, we need to clean the table. And tool we will use. And after that, we need to wash our hands before we start. Before we start, we need proper handling and use of drawing materials. And now I will demonstrate the proper handling and use of the tools. If you have mistake, this is the proper use of the eraser. And last, follow the standard procedure while working. Check all the tools and return it to the tool keeper.
Dito sa may tool kit. Dito sa gitna. Sa group.
After the activity, we need to submit your finished work to the assigned instructor. And last, we need to clean our workstation and turn off the equipment. This ends my demonstration. Thank you.